So Chevy finally has an answer to the Raptor R and the TRX, and it is built right here in Sealy, Texas. This is the Goliath 700. .700 horsepower, 4.2 seconds 0 to 60. Let's check this thing out. Now before we get into what's under the hood, let's talk about presence, because this thing does not look like a stock ZR2. First up, Hennessey went and designed our own steel front bumper upgrade. And yes, this is a 40-inch light bar integrated, tucked in right underneath that bull bar. So this thing is built to run on actual terrain in the dark, even if you wanted to. Now this hood vent you're seeing here, that is not just a styling piece. That is a functional carbon fiber scoop extracting heat from the engine bay, which is very important when you're cranking out 700 horsepower. Now Chevy did a great job fitting this truck with the DSSV Multimatic suspension system. We just went ahead and made it a little better by adding a BDS lift kit down here, taking care of the ground clearance as well, and then you'll notice right away the custom 20-inch Hennessey off-road wheels wrapped in 35-inch tires. And yes, those are 6-piston Brembo brakes sitting right behind it. So coming around back, we have the matching steel rear bumper sitting right above that custom Hennessey exhaust. We also developed a completely custom exposed carbon fiber tailgate applique with the Hennessey badging throughout, so everybody knows what's going on with this thing. And here is where the magic happens. This is Chevrolet's 6.2 liter V8, but we have taken it, overhauled it, and completely reimagined what it is capable of. So we have fitted a twin screw supercharger system with air to water intercooling. Now that intercooler is critical. It cools down the charge air temps going into the engine, making sure that you have dense, cool air every time you stab the throttle. Now pair that with Hennessey's proprietary engine calibration management, and the result is a 66% increase in power. 0 to 60, 4.2 seconds. In its stock form, this truck will do it in 5.6 seconds, which means that is a 1.5 seconds faster in a truck that still weighs over 5,000 pounds. The Goliath 700 is what happens when you take the best off-road Silverado that Chevy has ever produced and you hand it over to a team of engineers that have been doing this for over 3 decades. If you want to see more on the Goliath, check out the link in the description or give your nearest authorized Hennessey Chevy dealer a call.